first ball of the innings. Definitely wasn't expecting that. Superb bowling. Making the batsmen struggle for runs with their bowling and field placements. This is excellent from the captain.
That's too wide. Has to bowl that one again.
That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. Good shot for a single. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. Oh, excellent delivery.
The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines. Batsman pushes it gently towards the gap for a single.
Captain has placed a deep point for extra protection.
Good call by the batsman. Very good running. Bowler bowling from his preferred end.
He hasn't hit that well at all. The fielder will take it. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball.
He hasn't hit that well, and the fielder will take it. Deep point placed to cover that square region. He hasn't hit that well, and the fielder will take it.
He's a boundary hitter. That's one thing teams know about him. That's no ball, and the batsman will have a free hit.
Bowler bowling from his preferred end.
The batsmen are in a hurry and they comfortably run to here. Running has been top class by both the batsmen. Slower ball is not a bad option on this pitch.
He hasn't hit that well, and the fielder will take it.
Good shot. Very clean that. Nice pickup shot. He's making the bowler look ordinary here. What's next?
He hasn't hit that well, and the fielder will take it.
Nicked and a good catch.
Bowler needs to be precise with their line and length with this field.
Bowler is reading the batsman here and restricting him to his plans. Poor shot from the batsman.
The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines. Bowler has overstepped. No ball.
Captain has placed a deep point for extra protection. Batsman should be able to run to there. Running has been top class by both the batsmen. The bowler bowling from his favourite end. Oh, he missed that one.
Well played into the gap. Can the batsman get two here?
Running has been top class by both the batsmen. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. Definitely wasn't expecting that. Superb bowling.
The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines. Goes over the top and in the gap. Well played. When he hits it, it stays a hit. Crowd is enjoying every bit of this. for 4.
It's one of the shots he plays so well.
Fantastic batting by the batsman. Super delivery. Batsman got lucky there.
Batsman is trying to switch gears looking at the current run rate.
Well played for a single.
Fielder plays at point. Nicely played. They can get 2 here.
Superb running between the wickets by these batsmen.
Pace bowler back.
This is turning out to be a spectacular match, and people here are completely into the game now.
Vicious, really vicious, right at the target.
Bowler needs to be precise with their line and length with this field. Oh, that's nasty. The ball kept following him.
Fielder plays at point. Oh, that's nasty. The batsman has taken a solid blow there.
He looks more comfortable with the pace on the ball.
Bowler is reading the batsman here and restricting him to his plans. He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot. He hasn't hit that well at all. The fielder will take it.
Last ball of the innings. Let's see what we can get here. Well bowled, making the batsman play a false shot. The fielding side put on a good show of...
Let's